Is your Microsoft Rewards Roblox code not showing up? Then here's a few things on how you can easily fix this issue. First thing first, open Safari and go to Microsoft Rewards Redeem page. Sign in with the same Microsoft account you used to earn your rewards points. Now search for Roblox or scroll through the available gift cards. If the Roblox reward isn't showing, first check your account region. Microsoft Reward Catalog are different depending on your country or region. After that, you have to make sure you are not using a VPN. Microsoft specially recommends redeeming rewards in the region where your account was registered and says no to use a VPN when redeeming points. If the Roblox card is still missing, it may currently be unavailable or out of stock. There isn't a setting that can force the reward to appear, so check the redeem page again later. If you already redeemed the reward but can't find your code, open your Microsoft Reward order history and check your completed orders. After that, you might be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.